All right, folks, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at a free course that you can get here right now. No credit card needed. You get 2 free websites as well. Check the link in the description of this video below, and let's take a look at what it actually is. It's for learning affiliate marketing or continuing your websites for beginners, experienced users, what have you. So basically, you get this online entrepreneur certification level 1, 100% free. And that's part of the Wealth Affiliate training. That's the getting started level 1 right here. There's other levels. Those are for premium members, but the level 1 here is a lot to get you started and to see if it's something you want to do and continue before you upgrade to a premium account. So let's take a look at what we got here. Lesson 1 is get rolling. Lesson 2, understanding how to make money online. Lesson 3, choose a niche. Let's go back to lesson 2 here real quick, because this is where it shows you more explain about affiliate marketing. Understanding how to make money online. And there's this little graphic down here. We got customers, your site, products, and then you earn commission on the sales, up to 1 to 75% of those commissions of the products that you have partner up with these companies. All the training is here for free to start. So, and you don't need a credit card or anything to sign up, like I said. So there's no risk. You know, it's a free account, and you get to get rolling. So basically, you know, they show you how to create a website, and you get 2 free ones here as well. You have a website builder over here, and basically when people are doing searches online for whatever niche you pick, they show you how to get on the top front page of Google and drawing people to your website and to your affiliate products here. So it's like having like a, you know, I don't know. It's like having something. So it's really cool. And people have been doing it for a long time. In fact, this company's been around since 2005. Kyle here, who's the co-founder, he's also the trainer here that does a lot of these trainings. So let's go back, and then choosing a niche. This is a very important thing. You want to choose a niche that is something you're interested in, but choosing a profitable niche as well. You don't want to go too narrow, because you want to find something that you're interested in, and choosing your niche. The lesson here shows you how to get, a profitable niche, and then you move on to the next lesson. And he does a lot of video. There's video tutorials. This is a 17-minute video just in this part here. There's text, and all kinds of stuff like that. And then the next lesson is building your own niche website. This is where you start to actually build it. You install WordPress. The builder's right over here. WordPress takes about 30 seconds to install, and you're ready to go. There's a 16-minute video here showing you how to do all that. Building your website, choosing the kind of website, choosing a name for your website, all that kind of stuff, picking a theme. So really cool stuff. The next lesson is building your own niche website. So we were just there actually. Setting up your website. This is all the technical stuff, and then getting it ready for search engine optimization. You definitely want to do this, because when people search for stuff in Google, Bing, and Yahoo, you want to come up on the first page of Google, and that comes out more in lesson 9 with the understanding the keywords, because the keywords are things people are searching in or typing into Google and looking for. But then lesson 7 is creating your initial website content. There's even templates in here they have for like privacy policies and all that kind of stuff, but also how to write efficiently, blog posts and stuff like that. Creating your own menus on your website, another thing you do on your website, and then moving on to the next step. So this is 10 lessons right here, and this will take you probably about a week or so to do. It's not something that you just fly into, and it's not like these other a lot of these clickbank products I see where it's like, oh, everything's done automatically and you don't have to do anything. You make $5,000 in one day, and then all these fake testimonials and stuff. These are real people. This is for serious people that really want to make money online, and you got to put some work into it. So, anyways, this is the keyword part here, as I was saying. Nice video here, and there's keyword research tools here. Jaxie's built right into this. This is a really cool keyword research tool that they're going to show you how to use and everything. Basically, you type for your keyword in here. Let's type in keyword. And this is just a keyword. This is the average search for keywords, how much traffic you can expect to get, and how many quoted results there are. There's probably a lot for the word keyword. Yeah, 168. So that's your competition, basically, if you want to try to rank for that keyword. And they show you how to do all this. And then there's different keywords around that keyword. And then there's the full report on jaxi.com. This is just the pop-up menu kind of thing they have in here. I'm not going to go into all this here. I'm just going to give you the basic run through here. And another thing that's really cool about the WA here, Wealthy Affiliate, is that you are not alone. There's thousands of people in here. I've learned a lot from the other members in here. They do their own training. And in fact, if you sign up through my link, you're going to be introduced to me right away. This is my profile on here. I've been a member since February 2017. You can see right there. You have your own blog on here. You can ask questions. You have like a little, kind of like a Facebook kind of wall kind of thing on here. Training, you can create training after you've been here a while. I've done a few of those. You get paid for those as well, which is really cool. But then there's the dashboard here where there's thousands of people. And you can connect with these people. You can send them messages. You can even contact the owners. There's a live chat. There's the help center. Premium coaches. This is if you're a premium member. These guys are the co-founders right here. You could shoot them a message right away. I've done it plenty of times. I talk to them a lot. And these are some top helpers today. You can contact these members as well. So it's really cool. Again, I showed you the research already. There's live events. This is for premium members as well. This is not with the free. But every Friday, there's a live event, basically training. And if you can't meet it or can't make the live event, it's repeats here, the webinars, the rerun, or whatever you call them, reruns, whatever they are. And you can see these different kind of things that they go into. And these are always live, up to date, so the most modern stuff as well. You have your website builder here. There's a lot of stuff that goes into this. Again, you get 2 free websites with your free account. There's built-in comment systems. You get feedback from other members here. Again, the training. Not only is the online certification for what I showed you, the free stuff, this is the premium stuff once you move into here. There's also affiliate bootcamp. There's a free course here as well. This is for actually promoting Wealthy Affiliate because they do have their own affiliate program as well. They have a whole course on that, and level 1 of that is completely free too. And then they have a bunch of just training. Members make training and stuff like I said, and you can just really dive deep into different strategies and things like that. So here's a quick tour of the whole website. This is my profile on my account. As you can see, I have 36 posts on my blog. My rank's 551. That's something different. I got 1,600 people in my network. Activity dashboard. That's the dashboard. World-class training. The websites, live events, like I showed you, the keyword research platform. There's live chat and coaching, the help center. Then there's a search bar up here, which I didn't even go into. You can search anytime you're looking for something, maybe you want to do some research on something, you just type in the word in there, and there's thousands of articles on each thing. You have your own blog here as well. You have credits and currency. I have 70 right now. Those are for I'm doing things and doing comments and stuff like that. And like I said, they have their own affiliate program here, and Super Affiliate Challenge, and other stuff going on. So really cool, folks. It's 100% free to join. It's a no-brainer, really. You get the free start the online certification level 1, and you get ready to go learning affiliate marketing stuff. Now, even if you're already an experienced affiliate marketer, this is something great for you too. In fact, I used to use Bluehost, but then I moved all my websites over to here, and that was something that I just found very beneficial right away when I joined. So I have lots of websites that I've been running on this platform for a couple of years now. So anyways, check it out. It's definitely worth the freeness, or whatever you want to call it. A lot of stuff in here, a lot of really good stuff. Definitely enough time to decide if you want to do it because it's free. You don't have to worry about any pressure or anything like that. And again, if you sign up with my link, I'm going to contact you inside. You can contact me. I'm going to help you out with anything you need if you have any questions or anything like that. So really cool. In fact, yeah, I'm not going to get into that now. Anyways, so pretty cool. That's all for now, and I will talk to you soon.